Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will solve our first question on statement and conclusions, which is a part of our logical reasoning. First, we will know what is the pattern of these types of questions. So in these questions, there is a statement followed by the two conclusions. Your task is to determine which of the given conclusions logically follow the statement. So you have to analyze a given statement and deduce the conclusions from it. So let's move on to our first question. So the statement given here is India is the largest exporter of lychee, and we have two conclusions here. First, India only exports lychee, and second, China and Japan are the most important customers of lychee from India. So we have a given options here. You have to choose one of these options. To determine which conclusions follow from the given statement, let's analyze each conclusions individually. Conclusion 1. India only exports lychee. The statement says that India is the largest exporter of lychee, but it does not say that lychee is the only product India exports. Therefore, conclusion 1 does not follow from the statement, as India could be exporting many other products apart from lychee, right? Let's move on to our second conclusions. China and Japan are the most important customer of lychee from India. The statement does not provide any information about customers of lychee. It only states that India is the largest exporter of lychee. Therefore, there is no base to conclude that China and Japan are the most important customers of lychee from India. Hence, conclusion 2 does not follow these statements. So, we can see that both conclusions doesn't follow the statement. So, the correct answer is D, if neither one nor second follows. Let's move on to our second question. In second question, a statement is given. A degree in law is one of the most wanted degree by youth in India. We have two conclusions here also. A degree in a law guarantees a good profession, and second, a degree in law is the first choice for youth in India. Again, we have to choose one options from these, but first analyze the conclusions. By the way, if you have already analyzed the question and know the answer, you can write your answer in the comment section and check if your answers matches mine. So let's analyze the conclusions. Conclusion 1. If a degree Conclusion 1. A degree in a law guarantees a good profession. A statement only tells us that a degree in a law is highly desired by youth in India. It does not provide any information regarding whether obtaining a degree guarantees a good profession. While it might be inferred that many pursues it because they believe it will lead to a good career opportunities. The statement does not confirm this as a fact. This this is an assumption that we are making, and we don't have to make assumptions in these types of questions. Therefore, conclusion 1 does not follow from the given statement. Conclusion 2. A degree in a law is the first choice for youth in India. The statement indicates that the degree in law is one of the most wanted degree, but it does not specify that it is the top or the first choice. It could be among several other popular choices, for example BBA, BCom, BMS, MBA, or any other courses. Therefore, conclusion 2 does not follow the statement. So we can see that the both conclusion doesn't follow from the statement. Thus, the correct answer is D, if neither one nor 2 follows. Let's move on to our third question, and the statement given here is protein X is beneficial for muscular body. We have a two conclusion here as well. All athletes take protein X. We should take protein X for a muscular body. You have to choose one among the options. So let's analyze each conclusions individually. So conclusion 1, all athletes takes protein X. The statement indicates that protein X is beneficial for muscular body, but it does not provide any information about whether all athletes take it. Therefore, therefore there is no base in a statement to conclude that every athlete takes protein X, right? Let's move on to our second conclusion. We should take protein X for a muscular body. The statement suggests that protein X is beneficial for developing a muscular body. While it implies that taking protein X could be helpful, it does not directly state that we should take it or not. Therefore, conclusion 2 also does not follow from this statement. So the correct answer will be here is also D. That's it for this video. For more such questions and explanations, subscribe our channel and follow us on the Instagram to stay updated. Thank you.